Hey friends, James Gaughan from OneKey MLS. One of you submitted a request to get some help on searching for open houses for specific brokerages. This is an excellent tip, and I'm going to walk you through how to see this. Now, it's going to be multiple steps here, so stay with me while I walk you through all of these steps, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to first go to our roster option at the top, okay? We're going to go down to Office and Office Search. Now, I have an office pulled up on my other monitor here, so I know what office this is. But you would put in the office name right here in this office name field, okay? And what we're doing here is we are searching for that main office ID. That's really what we're looking for here. So let's highlight that, and we will right click and copy. Now what we're going to go to, instead of searching for our open houses here, we're actually going to go to this residential search, all right? And from here, what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And where it says listing firm, we are going to paste that code in there, okay? Now there's one additional step that we have to add here, and that is the step of adding an additional field, okay? The additional field that we want to add is this active open house count. And the way we do that, let me remove this quickly, is by searching active open house. There it is right there. What we can do is we can either double click this or we can highlight it and add it. All right. Now we see it's added to the right here under selected fields. And now we're going to go ahead and click the back button at the bottom of our screen. Okay. So now we can see we have our listing firm in here. We have our active open house count down below. What we want to add here is 1 and our plus sign. What that tells us is, or what that tells Matrix is, we're looking for open houses within this listing firm where there is at least one, but there could be an infinite number. All right. What we can see is that we have 17 matches. Go ahead and click results. Now we have all of the listings in that office that have an open house attached to them. We don't see any open house information yet, but what we can do is we can highlight or click on one of these little icons to the right here, and that will give us the open house information. All right. So that is your tip of the day. All right. A little bit of a workaround here. We couldn't get there as directly as we would have liked, but we can still get there. All right. So thank you for your time. Keep your tips coming.